In this video, we're comparing Dropified and WooCommerce to see which integrates better with dropshipping tools. Both are popular choices, but when it comes to the specific tools that can make or break your dropshipping business, one might stand out more than the other. Stick around, because after I walk you through both options, I'll reveal the best alternative I've found after testing them myself. Let's start with Dropified. This is an app designed specifically for dropshipping and is known for its seamless integration with Shopify, WooCommerce, and other platforms. What sets Dropified apart is its ease of use when it comes to automating your dropshipping workflow. It connects well with major suppliers like AliExpress, which makes sourcing products relatively smooth. You can easily add products, manage orders, and track shipments, which is critical for anyone who's serious about dropshipping. Next, let's talk about WooCommerce. Unlike Dropified, WooCommerce is an open-source plugin for WordPress that turns your site into a full-fledged online store. While it offers great flexibility and scalability, it doesn't come out of the box with dropshipping tools. You'll need to install various plugins and extensions to make it work. The good news is that there are many integrations available, including with popular dropshipping platforms like AliExpress, Salehu, and Spocket. The downside is that all of these integrations can get a bit messy and hard to manage, especially for beginners. The third thing worth mentioning is automation. With Dropified, automation is one of its standout features. From order fulfillment to product updates, everything happens automatically without needing much intervention. WooCommerce, on the other hand, requires manual updates or additional plugins to streamline those processes. If you're someone who values automation, Dropified clearly has the edge here. However, WooCommerce flexibility allows you to customize every step of the process, but that might require more time and effort to get everything just right. Now, let's talk about integrations with third-party tools. Dropified has a solid set of integrations for things like email marketing, accounting, and customer service tools. It integrates seamlessly with platforms like MailChimp and QuickBooks, which are essential for scaling your dropshipping business. WooCommerce also offers a wide range of integrations, but you'll need to rely on additional plugins. For example, if you want to use WooCommerce for dropshipping, you'll need to install plugins like OliDropship or WooCommerce Dropshipping, which can sometimes be a hassle to manage. While both platforms offer good integration, Dropified's out-of-the-box functionality wins in terms of simplicity. The fifth thing is customer support. Dropified offers dedicated support, which is great if you run into issues. They have a ticketing system, live chat, and phone support, which is something you don't always get with WooCommerce. WooCommerce has community support, but it can be difficult to navigate, especially when you need quick help. This is something to keep in mind if you're new to dropshipping or don't have a technical background. The last point to consider is pricing. Dropified's pricing is subscription-based, which means you'll pay a monthly fee for access to their features. It's not cheap, especially if you want the premium features. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is free to install, but as mentioned earlier, you'll need to purchase and install several plugins to make dropshipping work. While you may save some upfront costs with WooCommerce, you might end up paying more in the long run for those additional features. So, after testing both of these platforms, I'd say Dropified has the edge when it comes to simplicity, automation, and integrations right out of the box. WooCommerce is a solid option if you're familiar with WordPress and are willing to invest time into setting it up with the right plugins. But if you're looking for something that will save you time and hassle with your dropshipping store, I have a better alternative. While Dropified and WooCommerce are good options, they can get complicated and pricey. After trying them myself, I recommend checking out the alternative in the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. If your goal is to streamline your dropshipping business with powerful, easy-to-use integrations, this is the option that I believe will give you the most value. Make sure to grab your free trial and start seeing the difference today.